Okay, for today's lesson, we're going to learn how to multiply decimals. So a decimal is simply a number that is in between two whole numbers. Example, if you've got, let's give a number line, let's give it a really short number line, and let's say it's got three spots on it here, only one here, and one here, and it counts all the way from 0 to 2. A decimal would be like, hey, halfway from 1 to 2, right here, would be 1.5. If you look like over here, this would be 1.8. Over here, this would be 0.5. Maybe way down here would be 0.2. All right? Now, if we're going to do multiplication of decimals, let's take two numbers and let's just make them up here. Let's say 24 times 2. The only difference with multiplication of decimals, there's a decimal. We're going to throw it in there. We're going to say it's two groups of 2.4. So this is really the math that we're doing.
Caleb Blanche to the office. Caleb Blanche to the office.
Apologies for that interruption. I am a classroom teacher in an active classroom. That is two groups of 2.4. So let's get rid of that addition over there because that does make it a little bit simplistic. We do want to work on the multiplication part of it. And when we do this, 4 times 2, the ones column, would be 8. 2 times 2 would be 4. We look here, how many numbers are actually after the decimal? That's all you do. There's one number. One number. Then you just count from the right and you go backwards this way. One spot, one place value. That's where the decimal goes. And there's your answer, 4.8.